3 to 5 miles north is the new tornado warning, Isaac. Okay, Isaac, I'm actually.
All right, guys, a little late on getting online here. Been driving and going solo again tonight, but I'm on a tornado-warned cell north of Dover, Kansas. Looks like there's a lowering just to the on the left side over here. I'll try to shut my lights off here. Maybe we can see a little better. There's also a tornado warning off to my west, and that's a pretty massive looking storm over there. Had a lot of rotation earlier. This one just got tornado warned roughly within the past 5 minutes. Been trying to go live with the better camera, but it's just not working tonight. Like I said, this is just north of Dover, Kansas. It's about 3.5 to 4 miles north of me. And you can see the lowering and possible fun. Oh man, that was bright. So that's the north one. There's also one off to the west. You can see the tower on the left side of the screen there. It's basically due west of me. I'm a little too far out for that one, but I'm in a pretty safe location. There's nothing up to my south. This is north of Dover, Kansas. I can't remember what cross streets this is, but basically an area that I really don't visit very often, but except for this time of year. Also, if you guys want some kind of audio with it, you can switch over to Subby's Weather Talk on Facebook, and well, actually, I think he's on YouTube tonight. He may be doing both, but he will also have this up and be able to have some more commentary on it. Just checking things out here, making sure my escape route's good. Yep. It's kind of hard to see in the dark. Just have to wait for the lightning behind everything to hit this perfect. I think I will. I'll let you know when I get out of here. I know you'll still be awake. You only sleep during the day. Once again, guys, we're just northwest of Dover, Kansas, and this is basically due north of me right now. If this stream ends, it's because Subby from Subby's Weather Talk is calling me. If anything, it looks to be hitting me from the south, but I don't see anything. There's a lot of lightning on here. We'll hopefully be able to make some YouTube videos out of this and get some content up for you guys to watch. Been filming for a while, but the signal's been kind of in and out, and the stream didn't want to go, so here we are. Looks like just on that left side. Man, this would be a great spot during the day, too. It's also about 64 degrees out here, so it's getting kind of chilly with it's just a little breeze. So if I'm shaking, that's what I'm excited too. It's getting kind of cold in shorts and a t-shirt on. But I have not actually seen anything touch the ground. So right now there may be a couple funnels in there from time to time there, but nothing has actually appeared to touch the ground yet. So we have not had a confirmed tornado on this that I have seen. But it could produce at any time now. These are moving off to the northeast, so not really looking to hit central Missouri or anything like that tonight. At least not with these cells. For all the new ones in here, we are northwest of Dover, Kansas, on a tornado warned cell. We've been watching this for about 30 minutes, and it looks like right there, guys. So lightning hits right there. Looks like it's getting ready to produce. Yeah, it's starting to come down. Yep, I can see, but well, maybe not. I gotta get the lightning here. Yeah, it looks like this is making contact to the ground. Call us a confirmed tornado, guys. Confirmed tornado. Subby, I don't know if you can report this to the National Weather Service or not, but I can't. But that is a confirmed tornado right there. You can see the... Well, there it is. There it is right there.
think Jim kind of a worded note based on your location, just immediately to your west right now. There's pretty strong rotation there, buddy. This cell is moving northeast, but if it takes any further south,
Guys, you can probably hear Jim talking to me.
Kind of put you kind of in harm's way.
All right, so according to Jim, he's watching the radar for me. Since I don't have access to it while I'm streaming on my phone, so I'm only going to watch this for probably maybe 5-10 more minutes here, and then I'm going to have to be done and get it to a safer location. Because there is another tornado warning off to my west. But this one did make contact to the ground. You didn't actually see the clouds go all the way to the ground. But you could tell the wind hit, and that's all we're looking for. And it looks like it may have went back up. Yes, it's definitely back up. And I'm going to take it that these are other spotters that are flying past me here. So I may go ahead and end this here in the next couple minutes and get to a safer location, since that one off to the west is pretty much knocking right on my back door here. But if I can get in another position to give you guys a video feed here, I will. It's basically just me tonight, so Jim's watching radar, but he's back in Clinton. He's not out here, so he's got a little delay getting to me, but he warned me about the one coming up from the west. So, but that one still, you can still see some moisture going from cloud to ground.
Hey, I think you copied my last message.
All right, it looks like this one is back up in the air.
Copy that. Yep, you can turn south on Keene Eskridge Road.
Right on. All right, guys, I'm going to end this so I can get to a safe spot, but we are just northwest of Dover, Kansas. Tornado warning storm that I would say is confirmed, but it's went back up now because there's a funnel again right in there. But I'm gonna have to head out. I will go live again if I get another position where I'm in a safe spot, but I've got one coming up from my southwest. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll be back.